2 weeks ago, I decided there's still time to squeeze in a batch of pumpkin ale before Halloween, so I grabbed about 12 pounds of grain and I crushed it down in my grain mill.
Crush your enemies!
After that, I added it to my mash water and let it sit for about an hour.
Well, there's the mash. Today's a big day. We're going to crank this son of a bitch up.
While it mashed, I roasted a pumpkin. This recipe actually has 3 different types of prepared pumpkin. I used a hop spider to keep the beer as clear as possible since I'm adding canned pumpkin and the roast pumpkin I did earlier. And if you're a beer purist, this is probably where you'll lose interest in the recipe.
No, don't like that.
During the boil, I added about 2 pounds of brown sugar, and once it started to cool, I added cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon.
I'm gonna kick it up a little bit.
Once cooled, I transferred it to the fermenting bucket and added 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. The original gravity came out at 1.066, which is a nice spooky number.
Execute Order 66.
I pitched the yeast and let it sit for a week.